Hey everyone! I just received two awesome packages from Temu. One with this 4K action camera and another full of accessories. If you want to grab yours with a discount, all the links and coupon codes are in the video description below. Let's start with the camera itself. It comes with a waterproof case so you can take it underwater, perfect for your summer trips or diving. Inside the box we've got a few mounts, a remote control for taking photos and videos, and of course the usual manuals. I'll open the case now so you can see the actual camera. Just peel off this little battery sticker, put it back into the slot, and close it up. It charges via a Type-C cable. Nice and simple. Now, here's the second package, the accessory kit I ordered separately. This thing is loaded with mounts and grips for bikes, motorcycles, cars, tripods, and even selfie sticks. There's also a head strap and a chest mount, which are my favorites. Let me show you how they look when you put them on. Perfect for hands-free shooting. That's it for now. I really like all these accessories, and soon I'll be testing the 4K camera in different conditions. Stay tuned! And don't forget, if you want to order, check the links and discount coupons in the description below.